Hi there. So in today's video we are going to try solving this question. So we have the square root of 75 minus the square root of 27 minus the square root of 3 all raised to the power of x is equals to 9, and we have to solve for x. Now you can pause this video and solve. Let me see your answers in the comment section. So the first step we are taking is to try writing our question. So our square root of 75 can be written as square root of 25 multiplied by 3, and our square root of 27 can be written as 9 multiplied by 3. So we have square root of 25 multiplied by 3 minus square root of 9 multiplied by 2 minus square root of 3 all raised to the power of x is equals to, then our 9 can be written as 3 raised to the power of 2. Now with this, the square root of 25 is going to give us 5 and the square root of 9 is going to give us 3. So we have 5 square root of 3 minus 3 square root of 3 minus square root of 3 all raised to the power of x is equals to 3 raised to the power of 2. Now 5 square root of 3 minus 3 square root of 2 is going to give us 2 square root of 3. Then 2 square root of 3 minus square root of 3 is going to give us just square root of 3. So the left hand side is going to give us square root of 3, that is after subtracting. We have square root of 3 all raised to the power of x is equals to, then on the right hand side we still have our 3 raised to the power of 2. Now our square roots can be written as raised to the power of 1 all over 2. It's actually a law in indices. So we have 3 raised to the power of 1 all over 2 all raised to the power of x is equals to 3 raised to the power of 2. Now going to laws of indices again, on our left hand side our x is going to multiply the power, which is 1 all over 2. So we have our 3 raised to the power of x all over 2 is equals to 3 raised to the power of 3 raised to the power of 2. So with this, since we have equal bases which is 3 and 3, we can write our equation as x all over 2 is equals to 2. That is, our bases are going to cancel each other. So with this, as you can see, our x is equals to 2 multiplied by 2. So finally we have our x is equals to 4. Thanks for watching. Bye.